Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to change colors of Trello card. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to one of your board, and after that, in order for you to change the colors of your Trello card, just simply select one card on one of your list, and now we should be able to see here cover on the right side of the screen. And after that, we should be able to change the colors over here. As you can see, we should be able to provide a color on it. And now you will have an option over here to go for all card or go for the top card only. So when you go for the all cover, as you can see, it will look something like this. And you will have an option over here to disable the color blind friendly mode as well. And from there, you should be able to just simply go ahead and cross out everything, and you should be able to change colors of your Trello card. And that's pretty much it. And you will have the labels over here as well, and you can change the label. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.